Welcome to Holnix, the ultimate platform for managing publishing metadata. Today we will show you how our API can transform the way you manage your publishing catalog in a simple, fast, and efficient manner. The API is designed to give you complete control over your title data, enabling easy and automated integrations with your publishing management systems. From catalog queries to bulk metadata updates, the Holnix API provides all the tools you need to optimize your workflows. With our API, you can query and search for titles by ISBN, query the complete catalog of a publisher, receive all new releases from a specific date, obtain real-time data thanks to our optimized endpoints, which you can easily integrate with your current systems, whether it's your online store or your ERP management system. All of this is designed to make managing your catalog more agile. To use all the functionalities, you will first need to authenticate in our systems. Each organization has a unique access token that you will need to apply in your application development to access our data. Once authenticated, you can make a request to the API. For example, if you want to obtain information about a specific title through its ISBN, you simply make the corresponding call. Here we have a real example of a call for an ISBN. When making the request, we obtain key information about the book. You will receive a JSON response with various fields that you can consume on demand according to the needs of your application, including product identifiers. This includes the ISBN and other internal codes, such as the catalog number. The title of the book is La Alternativa Ecológica, with the subtitle Biblia, Espiritualidad y Compromiso Social. The book is in paperback format, rustica, and its dimensions are 6 by 9 inches, 152 by 229 centimeters. It is manufactured in the United States, and the main author is Xavier Picasa, with an additional statement by Eduardo Agostas Carrel in the foreword. The language of the book is Spanish. It has 288 pages. It is categorized under topics such as ecology and religion, with BISAC codes like REL 0110, Christian life and social issues. The book is aimed at a general audience and is published under the editorial CLI label in the United States. Its selling price is $24.99.
This complete and structured data will allow you to easily manage your publishing catalog, providing all the necessary information to market and distribute your products effectively.
The Holnix API is designed with SSL security, ensuring that all data is protected while traveling to your systems. Additionally, its scalability ensures that it operates smoothly, regardless of the size of your catalog.
This is Holnix, the perfect solution for bookstores seeking efficiency and agility.